Hello, I'm Suna with There is an English tradition in our language. Its name is the English War tradition. It is situated in Lamdosi, Rwanda. The founder is Dosu Susan. She is an attack. Luke and grandma and post-game and this tradition. You going to listen and see the dialogue. You going to listen and see the now of this how it's going. You going to listen and read story. Ella's America story is exciting. You going to play games. Grandma data game is happy. You going to square my cream. Number one thing is trying to. You're going to white one stand power graphic fantasy is an essay and story. How are students who will read that? Thank you.